Episode 1, remake from Island Farms and Trackman Event 2018, The Bird. One day, Dons and Percy watch Morlocks, The Bird, and it's a really scary movie, and they scream out loud, "Whoa, this movie is so scary!" So they went to sleep in a long, long hour. So here's Thomas's dream. That was a good nap. Percy, you can wake up now. Whoa, Percy, are you okay? There's something wrong with you. Ah! You turned into a bird! Ah! So late. Today we're gonna get our buffers done, and we're gonna watch a new episode of Pretty Little Liars. Gosh, I love that show. Oh, hey Percy, what's up? Okay. Sorry, lady, that was Percy. Yeah, I know what's wrong into him. Be quiet, I'm on the phone. Lady, I gotta go. And this skeleton bone was about 2 million years old. Also a wrench over here. Holy! That thing is even more contagious than McDonald's boots and it's way older than Chris McTrain. Yeah, I'm so young. I still wear diapers. Wait just a kind of fake a minute. First you went to Mountain Farms series from Treasure Force the 60 series, and then you come to Track My Monuments 2018 series, and then you come to my series, so you're just in the remake of the episode that you already started? What? But Mountain Farms series is way better than Treasure Force the 60 series, and Track My Monuments series, and Craft the Go 77 Paul series. What did you say about my own series? Alright, this is the last straw. You are a dead man. Ah! But no, please, I can explain. Gav here. James, James! Whoa, get into yourself, my girl. What's going on? Percy has turned into a bird and he was annoying to me while I was talking to a lady on the phone. Whoa, that's even more worse than the time that I'm trying to recover with Cranky. Hi, Jane. Yo, what's up, my girl? Nothing really. Hey, do you want to see me climb with Cranky? Okay. Be careful, James. Shut up, lady. I'll be okay. Yes, I'm a top of Cranky. As Jack Dawson would say, I'm the king of the world. Hey, get off me, you red psycho. I don't know how to get down. James, be careful! Well, this is what happens when you climb a crane, so goodbye. Yep, I tried to warn you. You just wouldn't listen. Alrighty, listen up, Rugrats. Percy has turned into a bird, and he won't stop annoying to everyone with his squawking. And just for that, we're all going to hang up on him and shoot him. And of course, any question? Oh, me. I had a question. Yes? What is it, lady? When you drink water from your butt, does it taste like poop? Not in a billion jillion years, lady. I'm going to beat you up right now. Ah!
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Yeah, that's what happens.
You get out right now, or else I'm gonna fart in your face. Oh, sorry about my own girl. Alright, you troops, let's get Percy! Hello, Percy. We're here to destroy you. No! Alrighty, Percy. F the die. Let's just get this over with. Wait, should we kill him or should we not? Because he's best friends with Thomas. James, stop! I won't let you hurt him. He's my best friend. Just because someone is annoying, that means you don't want to kill him. You know what, Thomas? You're right. Because you know what? Let's get him! Get out of town, you neck wet. Oh! Why do you have to throw me, James? Why? Alright, Percy. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, also my grandma, so. Also, be stop, birdie. Whoa, are you guys okay? I had the most bizarre dream in history of the world. Yeah, me too. And I was talking crazy like a bird while watching Mohawks the bird. And then James shot me with a shotgun. Hey, wait a minute. I had an exact dream as you. Okay. You guys are weird. But before we end this video, I'm going to show you some bloopers. Percy, you can wake up now. Hello, Thomas. So, lady, hello? Oh, I forgot my phone. Oh, hey, Percy, what's up? God! You just say you put in the wrong thing. That's a Spider remix sound. Sorry, lady, that was Percy. Yeah, I know he's talking crazy like a bird. Why is the audience laughing? Stop laughing! That thing is even more contagious than McDonald's boots. And it's way older than... Hey, why do you put 3 beeps on it? Oh, sorry about that. Ding! Yeah, I'm so young. I still wear deputy diapers. Wait a minute, you say the wrong thing. Oh, that's even better than the diaper one. What did you say that? Alrighty, you are a dead man. Stop. What? This is the wrong scene because you're falling down every single time. What do you mean? Because it's the remake of the episode. Oh. Oh, me. I had a question. What is it, lady? When you drink from your does it taste not in a billion jillion years. You got out right now. No, right now. I'm gonna fart in your face. I gotcha. What do you have? Me, James. Why? Whoa, you guys okay? Whoa, you guys okay? I had the most bizarre dream I ever had. Yeah, me too. James shot me with a shotgun. Hey, I had a dream too, Percy. Wait a minute, you got the wrong line. What did you say? Alrighty, that is the last straw. You are a dead man. Oh! Why do you have to throw me, James? Why? So that's the end of the episode. And check more videos on Crafty Girl 7th Level Pop. And you can check the remake videos from Dragon for 6 Mantium. And of course, check the video on Mount Farms. And these are directed by those. So thanks for watching and bye for this episode, because I'm leaving. I'm so weird at this job.